Ready to turn your home into Hogwarts this Halloween? Whether you're a lifelong Potterhead or just love magical aesthetics, Harry Potter-themed decor brings charm, nostalgia, and a touch of wizardry to your spooky setup. From floating candles to potion corners, these ideas will enchant every witch, wizard, and muggle who enters. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. What's a simple way to bring Hogwarts houses into decor? Use banners, scarves, or colored fabrics in Gryffindor red, Slytherin green, Ravenclaw blue, and Hufflepuff yellow. Add house crests or table settings to match each house. Team Gryffindor or Slytherin. Tap like if you're repping your house. What's a cool way to decorate with the sorting hat? Place a sorting hat as your centerpiece or on a mannequin head. Add house-colored ribbons or even use a speaker inside to sort guests with fun audio clips. Sorted and spooky? Like this if your hat's making decisions. What lighting can I use for a magical atmosphere? Use warm yellow fairy lights, lanterns, and flickering LED candles. You can also use color-changing lights to set the mood for potion corners or common rooms. Wand light ready? Like this if you're lighting Spellbound. What kind of wall art or signs work for the theme? Try signs that say Platform 90 Course, Restricted Section, or No Muggles Allowed. Use chalkboards, parchment-style paper, or vinyl decals for that wizarding look. Signs of magic? Like this if your walls are ready for Hogwarts. How can I use potion bottles for decor? Fill glass jars with colored water, glitter, or beads, and label them with Polyjuice Potion, Felix Felicis, or Draught of Living Death. Arrange them on shelves or a potion station. Bottled magic? Like this if you're brewing something spooky. How do I set up a Quidditch or Flying Broom theme? Prop brooms in corners or hang them midair with invisible wire. Add hoops made from pool noodles for Quidditch goals, and scatter golden snitches around your display. Up for a match? Like this if your brooms are ready to fly. How can I make a DIY Hogwarts Express setup? Create a platform 9-inch sign near a doorway. Add brick printed paper or a trolley cart filled with wizard snacks and sweets like chocolate frogs and Bertie Bott's beans. All aboard? Like this if you're bringing the train to life. How can I create a great hall Halloween vibe? Hang floating candles using fishing line from the ceiling. Add long tables with dark cloths, gold accents, and pumpkin centerpieces to mirror the Hogwarts dining hall feel. Feasting in style? Like this if your hall's ready for a feast. Can I include the Marauders map in my setup? Yes. Print or frame a replica of the Marauders map. Display it with footprints, wand props, or as a backdrop to another themed area like a common room corner. Mischief managed? Tap like if you're sneaking in the magic. Can I decorate with magical creatures? Definitely. Use plush or model creatures like Hedwig, Fluffy, or a small dragon. Place them on bookshelves, mantles, or hidden around the room for a magical touch. Creature feature? Like this if your decor has magical mascots. Can I decorate with floating keys or letters? Yes! Hang cutouts of flying keys or Hogwarts acceptance letters from the ceiling. Use parchment paper and string to make them hover around your entryway or hall. Magic in the air? Like this if your decor is ready to fly. Can I combine Halloween and wizarding vibes? Absolutely. Add jack-o'-lanterns, spiderwebs, and black cats to your Harry Potter setup. Make it spooky by adding dark arts references like Death Eater masks or cursed objects. Dark magic meets decor? Like this if your Halloween is spell ready.